Good morning, guys. As you can see, it's 3 a.m. in the morning now, and yeah, nezonda kasa reservation yeni grinozishi Uber kuti inoya na 10 minutes to 4 or na 4 a.m. You understand? Ndagara book reservation. So yeah, I just woke up now and I'm warming my water. So that did it in the airport. So guys, if you so this time, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Understand? This is a traveling vlog from Johannesburg to Zimbabwe by flight. Understand? So as you can see, it's so freezing here in Joburg. Like, look at the snow, the ice, bruh. Look at the ice. The cars are so freezing, bruh. Like, look. Chando cheka. So here, guys, so cold here in Joburg. Anyways, stay tuned.
Hapana chakanaka chawakaita chisina mubairo iwe anorangarira iye mwari anorangarira iye mwari
Bata nawezi. Ile bomu wangu. Shabin.
Wawakabatira suvaria Shine mubairo Wawakasimutsa suvaria Shine mubairo Anorangarira iye mwari anorangarira iye mwari kana mwari akurangarira sanaka kana mwari akurangarira Zarigana kana mwari akurangarira sanaka kana mwari akurangarira Zarigana
So guys, I just arrived at the airport. Oh sure. Thank you, bro. I'm gonna tip you on the app. Oh sure. So guys, I just arrived at the airport. As you can see down here. Yeah. This is my break here. And this is OOTD. So yeah, let's go and check what's happening inside. This is airport in Airport Harare. So let's go and see what's popping. So guys, it's saying I'm going to boarding gate A26. So this one is saying A0 to A30 direction and going there. So let's go and see if we can find. Guys, I heard with all our time is so big so to that you know that's and I'm so scared to know that's but it is. Let's go and see what's popping. Asi munokwirwa train futi. So apa pachi so boarding gates kuzasuko. Because our total is A0 to A30 ndikuenda ku A26. Sas. At the airports are so nice and big, man. Yo. Grrr. Then there's our airport, Zimbabwe. Man. Yes, let's go. This is what's popping. Someone tried to check in. Guys, I'm so disappointed. Like ndarwadza zvotodaro. Imagine ndasiswa inonzi ndasiswa mafuta angu lotion yangu nyowani ne spray yangu nyowani. Imagine man hands zvakakurisa. I don't even know why vachistora pa airport. Zvinizvozvo. Hands is too big. Can you imagine guys? Hands is too big. Man, I'm so heartbroken man. Spray yangu nyowani. Nemafuta yangu lotion nyowani zvakadhura zvinizvo zvatora sikombini chitiona so. I don't know why chivaidaro so I don't even know man. I don't even man ndabatikana but anyways ndapfuura pa check in. I don't know if they're gonna stage us again. But the fun thing is last time ndakatobva nazvo Zimbabwe zvakapinda kuende pa airport. Inda chidaro so. But anyways atina zvekuzviita. Let's go icheck what's going. Yo. Man, this airport is so big, it's so kind of necessary. So big, yeah. I don't need to go for ambassador. Anyways, let's go and see what's happening. Flights are free. You have to figure it out. Yeah, Harare. So man, anakwara nechando ndaomba notsvaka coffee yo ndafa nechando man. And ungona restaurant rava but it looks so expensive though, like really expensive. So let me go down there and see what's happening. So there's ndasvika pane coffee.
Coffee milk?
Yes. So yeah, man. Ndatenga coffee as you can see, and now I'm going back to what do you call it? Now I'm going back to my boarding gates. My boarding gates. Yeah, you're gonna say I'm on a ground and that's here. Person I will attend. You understand? So yeah, now let's go to boarding gates, and then I'll drink the coffee and eat my sandwich. So yeah, let's go. Chicken, yeah, I don't want chicken, man. takupinda mubhazi rotoresa kundegero. Yo kutonhora yo.
Anorangarira. Iye Mwari. Anorangarira. Iye Mwari. Mwari. Kana Mwari akurangarira. Shanaka. Kana Mwari akurangarira. Sharingana.
Ndombo kugara. 26F. 26F. Ndrogara ukonokwe. Ndrogara ukonokwe ndotobhurwa content. F ndo window.
And apologize for any inconvenience caused.
Next year, from Summer Flooding, Captain speaking.
Cars are eliminated. No smoking is permitted on board our aircraft or in any airport terminals. This includes the smoking of vaping devices. The consumption of non-alcohol beverages is also strictly prohibited. We suggest that you keep the music fastened throughout the flight. To fasten your seatbelts and set the flip metal tip into the buckle and tear a click. To tighten and pull on the loose end, release the balance to the flat panel above your head if it changes in the flight. Remain in your seat, removing the face coverings, and remove grab an oxygen mask, pulling it firmly towards you. It has the action of pulling the mask towards your face. That releases the planes to stop the flow of oxygen. Place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth and continue to breathe normally while securing the elastic bag around your head. Although the bag will not inflate, oxygen also to the mask. When your mask is secured to children and fellow passengers, continue to use the oxygen mask until advanced, otherwise find something nearby. A life jacket is provided under you. It's the unlikely case of water landing. Remove your jacket from the power to pull the life jacket over your head, wrap it faster in the back, and fasten in the front.
apa padama apa ndifunga kuti tikadona tokuwara apa hatichakware togona kungoenda kuchipatara. Apa yadzika apa yadzika miti takutoiona toona pakama mumiti tongokusvuka plus inotobudawo mutv pane ndege yakadona tobuda nana CNN nana BBC anenge afawo apa agara ada kufa idzo dzimba dzatakutoona idzi inowira pamusoro pemba pinda mukicheni totodya.
So you guys just arrived at the airport. As you can see, now we're going to do checkout, Baba. Checkout, baby. Yo guys, I'm a jet lag. My problems are my jet legs, my flights. Yeah, I wish to be season. My problems, my jet legs, my flights are equal. Anyways, let's go and do check out the Zimbabwe. Tinemsikana wataudesa paFacebook marketplace ane about 3 years ari simu but mukutadza kuona baby rakanaka mani inga akanaka wanooneka body umpe wine umpe wine amana musikana waenda zvekusombonya vanhu pa-airport anda zvemasaji anoita zvekusombonya vanhu pa-airport unanosombonya anonzi mesuri anonzi something like that anonzi munhu anosombonya vanhu mesuri yandiye munhu wacho munomubata anoita zvekusombonya vanhu ine zamandamira indrive yangu iri kuuya panapa make sure stay tuned. Samana ya tashika pa 10. I bet guys, thank you for watching the vlog to the end. If you've enjoyed, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Understand? So that was the journey from Johannesburg to Harare. This is what you need to do. This is what you have to go through Kanochi, South Africa to Harare using Ndege. So thank you guys for watching the vlog to the end. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe for more and more content. Your love is so amazing, guys. You guys are amazing. I love you so much. Peace out.